Who is that, Dexter? Who is that? Who's outside? Who is that outside? What is that? You wanna go get him? Who is it? Who is it? Who is that boy? Who is that? Who is that? Hey guys! Are you ready for Halloween? 'Cause I know I am. So, I was perusing on Pinterest, as I do, and of course, I found some crafty things that I want to share with you. I can rhyme. The first thing is these cute little ghosty things. The candles came from Dollar Tree. The felt came from the felt store, whatever. This is probably gonna be the easiest thing you'll ever do in your life. Cut out some holes, you hot glue them on the candle, and it's done. So, the next thing is an exciting acrylic pour on some Dollar Tree styrofoam pumpkins. This was very exciting and fun to do. However, I will say, do not spray the pumpkin with sealant when you are done with it, because the sealant will eat at the styrofoam and make it look like this. Yeti? I am no expert on acrylic pouring, but I'm slowly figuring out the measurements, ratios between the paint and the water and the types of paint that work best and blah blah blah. If you were interested in this type of thing, I would be more than happy to experiment further and go on a journey together with you if that is something you're interested in. The third craft is quite exciting and is something that I've wanted to try doing for some time. So this is a man-eating plant. Mwahaha. The head is a like carve it yourself pumpkin thing that's like foam or whatever material that you can keep forever and ever, and not like a real pumpkin that dies and withers away over time. The teeth are also made of that same pumpkin, the scraps from which I cut its mouth open. The leaves at the bottom are cardboard. The neck and the innards of the neck are a pool noodle from Dollar Tree, a wire, and then there's also some viney things that is also from Dollar Tree. The fourth and final project in today's video is not necessarily Halloween related, though it is something that I will be using during the season. A little stand thing. What is this called? Is there an actual name for this? So, the plates are made of tin, and the innards post things are candlestick holders. I used hot glue to attach these to each other as best I could, trying to keep them centered, whatnot. I will say that hot glue and glass don't quite work well together. They work, but it's fragile. So obviously I'm not going to be able to put heavy stuff on here, but like candy or like donuts, I suppose. So that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you all for all of your support and love and helping me reach 500 subscribers. I really appreciate it, and I am honored to be a part of your lives. And so is Yeti. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Who is that, Texter? Get him!